Good morning, children. Welcome to your literacy skill class. Open your literacy skill book and open page number 66. Okay. In our last class, we have done where to write a and where to write an. We write an in front of the words that has vowels in the beginning, and in front of other consonant letter words we write a. Okay, so today we will do few activities in your book. So here the activity says match the words with a or an by drawing lines. You have to match this a and an with the words by drawing lines. One has been done for you. Ox. Here at the beginning, here it is O. It starts with O. So O is a vowel. So you have to write an ox. So you have to draw a line from an to ox. I will do one or two for you as an example, and rest of the activity you have to do at home by yourself. Here it is written grape. Grape. Here the first letter is G. So G is not a vowel. So you have to write A in front of grapes. Grape. Okay, so you will draw a line from grape to A. Now here, suppose here it is egg. Egg starts with E. E for egg. E is a vowel. So you will connect egg with an. So you will take a line straight forward to an. Like this, you will do this exercise by yourself and show me. Okay. Now come to the next page. Page number 67. Here is one more activity which says write in the blanks a or an. This we have done in our last class. You have to write a or an here. Deciding what to write, you have to see where it is vowel or not. So here it is ostrich. The first alphabet is O. It is a vowel. So you have to write an ostrich. This is written R-A-T, rat. R. The first alphabet is R. R is not a vowel. So you will write A here. Likewise, you will read the word and see the first alphabet. It is vowel or not. Then you have to write here A or an. Okay. This one also you will do and show me. And now in page number 68, here is a fun activity that also I am giving you to do at home. Here is a fun activity which says draw a picture of one thing before which we use A. You have to draw a picture of anything that's name has A before it. You have to write A. So what are the things I am giving you? An example, you can draw anything else also which you like. Suppose it is a flower. Before flower we write a flower. So you can draw a flower here or a bird here. Okay. Here draw one thing before which we use an. You have to draw a picture here before which we use an. For example, an egg, an orange, or an apple. Okay, so these are the examples. You can draw whatever you like. This is your homework. Okay.